Toyota is updating their GR010 Hypercar with a large aero package, and we want to discuss why. Toyota is the most experienced hypercar manufacturer since they stayed in the sport since the LMP1 days. In the time of less competition, they could win everything. Fans got bored, and since the introduction of BOP, they are punished quite significantly with lowest power and highest weight, so others could win. At the beginning of hypercars, there was also the regulation change around tire sizes, which required them to use an EVO joker to adapt their car. And when someone uses an EVO joker, they get a worse BOP rating for the first races by default. So Toyota built a car which was quick, even with bad BOP ratings, but they couldn't win or even get to the podium. The GR010 is designed to have enough downforce on all tracks. The problem was then that, compared to other cars, the Toyota was lacking straight-line speed. So, step by step, the regulators gave the Toyota the highest power above 250 km per hour. But because they were already losing lap time until they reached that speed, Toyota still had a top speed problem. So it was pretty much the opposite situation to Alpine, who created a low downforce car, and you can learn all about it in my other video with the link below. So Toyota is now updating their bodywork and change it to a lower downforce level. And at the same time, they adapt the design of the car. So Toyota should get faster on the straights, and their downforce level will be a compromise of top speed and cornering speed, instead of too much downforce everywhere. We can see that their rear wing will be curved now, and most aerodynamic changes will happen underneath. Toyota says they are trying to build a car which can win even with the worst BOP rating, but that's not going to be easy. So what do you think? Will the Toyotas be more competitive again? And is it time for BOP to punish them less? Let me know in the comments below, and see you at the next video.